How to set custom charging sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Navigate to the Automation tab at the bottom and tap on New Automation as shown. This brings up a list of triggers for your personal automations. Here, tap on the search bar to search charger and select the charger option. Then, ensure that is connected is selected, then tap on Run immediately. After that, tap on Next at the top right corner to proceed to the next step. On this screen, use the search bar and type in music to add it to your automation. Your automation is now complete. When your iPhone connects to a charger, it will automatically start playing music. Following these steps, you can easily set up a custom charging sound on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.